believe I'm live. I'm going to post to Discord and Reddit. Okay, guys. Let's see. I'm getting a warning for the stream. That should be fine. Whatever. FaceTime him. Hey, dude. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Okay, cool. Sick, yeah. Yeah, I'm live. We have 0 viewers. Yeah. Um, but yeah, I'm making some progress. Do you want to send me your stream thing? Oh, sick. Okay. Yeah, sure. Um, I don't know if that link worked. Yeah. Oh, really? For sharing. No, it's not. Here, let me try again. Yeah, my video is not working either right now. So it might be. Oh, this one looks better because the one you sent me said push, and this one says view. Okay, so this is your screen. Okay, so let me put Brett's screen. Put this as that. Do you want to send me one of your face? No. The other one you sent, it says like push, and I think it's like you're inviting. I don't know. But yeah, if you could. Nice.
Getting better.
Yeah. Except my camera isn't working.
Your camera's not working?
Do you on the live stream, do you see it?
I see my camera. I see my camera and I don't see your camera. You might just need to click on it and refresh it if it's from.
refresh. Let me try to delete it and add it again. Hmm. How you doing though?
Great.
Nice.
Oh, weird. I can hear you twice. Okay, got that. Are you getting your camera working?
I'm trying to. Um, I might go grab my other phone. Oh, do you see that?
Yeah.
That's funny. Yeah, for some reason it's not showing my phone's camera, but it is showing my phone screen.
Hmm.
Freak. Maybe I just go without camera today. Is that chill?
Yeah, whatever you want.
Cool. Two concurrent viewers. What's up, guys? We're building our app. It's probably you, right?
It's me and two browsers.
That's funny. Okay, do you want to see what I figured out?
Yeah, dude.
I had ChatGPT try to make the recursive view thing, and it actually did pretty well. But so the cool thing is they created a task pretty much exactly
I
like
need you to share. Sorry, I need you to share your screen on FaceTime, please.
on FaceTime. Okay, let me pull up FaceTime.
I
Dude,
feel like
this
this
is
is gonna turn into a course of how to stream on YouTube.
yeah. Okay, do you see my
Okay,
screen?
I got it. Yeah, we're good.
Okay, so yeah, I had ChatGPT 5 do some stuff, and it did pretty much the exact same thing. Like it has ID name. I added those done, but it had the children and the parent. But the cool thing was it's adding these functions in the model, and then this is the view model is a task. So it's kind of like a real simple app where we just have the content view, a task view, and a task.
Sorry, Trevor, I spilled water.
Uh, no worries. Um, but yeah, I just want to like get down exactly how we want to do all the like task functionality, creating new tasks, whether it be like siblings, like on the same level, like creating new milestones kind of, versus creating new tasks under a milestone or tasks next to each other on a milestone, you know?
Yeah, sorry. Do you want to show me it again?
Yeah, so this is how it's working so far is we just had this, we have this top one, which is task, and then when you hit this add task, it adds a task to this root one. So you hit plus, and you could just keep hitting plus. Then within each of these, um, right now I have two plus buttons. I should probably like, let's see. I'm gonna try to think of a better. Uh, so when we are adding a child, it's this thing.
But wait, what was wrong with what you have? I feel like that is all we need.
So yeah, okay. If you hit the plus button here, it adds. Okay, so if you hit this plus button, it adds a sibling. It's
I,
something.
I don't think I don't think we needed to add a sibling. I think we just need like how you have that add task button down at the bottom. I think you just have that in all of the drop down areas.
Oh, in all of them. Okay, let me try this.
So like I can either add a sibling with the add task button, or add I can start a sub thing.
So yeah, you can add a child. So if I hit add task here, it creates this new one. If I hit
Huh?
this, it'll add a child under it
Bam. Yep.
where I can add
Yep.
siblings or I
Yep.
can add
Yep.
more children under it.
Yep.
Oh, sick. Okay.
I
And
think
then
that's perfect.
and then
That's
what
perfect.
what I was trying to do is figure out how do I make it where you can move, and that's
Yeah,
not really working.
that's trickier. That's for sure trickier.
But the idea would be like you can move tasks between siblings, but not between parent and child.
I mean, I think for now what you have works great. I don't know that we need to worry about it anymore.
Like this is good.
I think this is good. I think we could change the icon to just a plus button or like a plus down arrow.
Yeah, let's see what plus down.
Because
Mm,
this is like, if we could get the start task screen done as well, but or the timer screen, then this app will actually work.
yeah, and we just need to be able to save the tasks because right now it just
Oh, okay. Yeah,
resets.
you can work. Maybe you work on that while I work on a design for a start task screen.
Okay. Yeah. What symbol do we want? Like
Hmm.
down.
Mm, we want do add search add. Can't we do that thing now where we can combine two of them?
Yeah, I think it was something where we could only combine certain things. It might be plus.
But I feel like plus was one of the things we could combine.
SF sim.
But we need to find like a task symbol. So it's like,
Yeah, maybe here I'll just put it as plus for now,
okay,
and then let's figure it out later.
do plus circle. Just that won't take any extra code. Just do plus dot circle fill.
Dot fill,
Dot fill. Yeah.
and then it should always expand, right?
If it's as simple as just telling it to do it, then yes. Really, we want it to expand when I click the button, but not always be expanded.
Yeah, let's try.
Okay, you work on that, and I've got two screens, so I can just look up really fast when you want my opinion. But I'm gonna start designing out a doing task screen. Does that work?
Okay. Um, yeah, and then I'm just gonna make sure the delete works and the mark is done. How do we want to show that something's done? Oh, it's crossed out if it's done, right?
Yeah, we already have it, unless you
Okay.
deleted it.
No, I think I do. I have it. Is done is crossed out and gray.
Yeah, I don't even think it needs to reorder itself for right now.
Okay.
Should things be addable when it's crossed off?
Good point. Um, Probably not, right? So if it's a leaf, you can add more, but you also have to be not done. So as soon as you're done, boom, you can add more to that task. I guess like we should just let's build this and then we can figure out exactly how we just need to start using it, I guess is the
Yeah.
idea, right?
Yep. And we need to get people in the community on it.
Okay.
Yeah, I was listening to a podcast about Atlassian,
Mm.
and they get 10 customers that are willing to put up with a crappy experience, and they just build for those 10 customers.
It's kind of sick because that should be like a
And
like representation of the population.
uh-huh. Yeah.
That's fun. Hmm. Well, I'm gonna have it where if you have it done and then you swipe again, it clears it. Like it kind of deletes it, but we don't have to make it like
Well,
red.
but do you think we ever want to delete it?
So never
Because
delete.
like to me, delete should delete it.
Okay, so keep a delete.
Yeah, I think that's great.
Should you be able to undo it?
Yeah, you can uncheck it. Yeah, because you could accidentally do it.
Okay, should it look different then?
Um, yeah, it could be like the undo.
True. Okay.
Yeah, I'm adding dynamic island to all the designs, so we don't have any problems with it not being represented.
Oh, nice. We're streaming. We're streaming.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
was just.
your face isn't showing up, but
Oh, okay. I was just letting my wife know.
everything else is there.
Do you want to mute yourself on FaceTime?
Oh,
That'd be big. Oh, sick. We got somebody watching because they posted in Discord that you can make custom SF symbols. My man,
let's
Franklin,
go.
that's big.
Give him a huge
Oh,
shout out, dude.
big ol' shout out to our boy Franklin. Yo, that's big. He's saying that to convert any SFG into SF symbol. What the? There's an
Huh.
app for it. I'm gonna send it to you.
I'm gonna I'm gonna have to look into that. That's sweet.
Oh, my boy. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, but overpriced. Hopefully it's not too expensive.
Yeah, that's good to know because I could start making custom symbols then.
Oh yeah, that'd be big, dude.
I always just
Because
use what they have.
SF symbols are so nice to use.
Yeah.
Okay, he's posting in the chat. Franklin, you're the man. He says, "Wait, Eat the Elephant is the app name. I thought it was motivation." And then he says, "MVVM all the way. Put laptop in rice for the water."
Oh yeah, thank you, Franklin. We did
Oh,
get the water kind of cleaned up.
nice. And then he said, 10 is a lot. I would do it for 5. What were we talking about, 10?
Uh,
You were not seeing the chat.
all right, Franklin. Thanks for jumping on.
I'm posting. I'm chatting with him.
Sweet.
It has your
Yeah, so
face on
Franklin,
our YouTube.
the app that we're working on is called Eat the Elephant, and the idea is that you make a list of tasks that take 5 to 10 minutes, and then when you're just using your phone normally and you go to a distracting app, it will pop up a screen time and say, "Hey, instead you should go maybe work on this specific task to eat your elephant." The
Yeah,
10 clients from Atlassian.
that makes sense. I feel like
Yeah, I
Atlassian's
mean,
huge. Like they could.
Atlassian just said 0 to 10, so we could do five. Five could be great.
Nice. Franklin, you want to be one of our five? Could be big. You'd be in on the ground floor. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out how to get this persisting. He says sure he will be. Oh, big. When do we launch? When are we launching?
I We were trying to launch today.
Yeah. Which I feel like we could.
I mean, we can for sure add you, Franklin, to the test flight.
Yeah, I need to set up a public test flight group. Maybe maybe I make sure that happens. So Franklin, are you working on any apps for Shipathon? Oh, he's asking if we have a waitlist site.
Mm,
Should we make that? We kind of
if we were
we
more prepared, I mean, can we? Is that a thing we can set up?
don't we have that on the side apps.com? Yeah, dude, we have a join our waitlist. I don't know if it's
Mm,
actually like working. Let me see if it is. If so, we could start to use that on the side LLC. Yeah, Franklin, do you want to try? I'm gonna post it to the Discord. Do you want to try adding your email to that, and I'll let you know if it gets added. And if that's the case, we could use that as the test flight link.
that'd be great.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And if that doesn't work, we could use a Google form, is what he's saying. That's big. Yeah. Do you like our beautiful website? Chat made it for us. He even rounded the corners on the contact support button. Pretty big.
You got to go quick to ship it.
Error missing or insufficient permissions. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's just bump this up to
September 30th is when it ends, so
September 30th. Okay, let's do 10:30 or
let's
10.
do 10.
Okay, Franklin, you want to try again? Boom, there it is. Oh, I should probably not show his email on the stream. Barboy Franklin could be first on the wait list. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna make an external group. Um, Apple will probably have to approve the first build that goes to external, so it might be like tomorrow that you get invited to this. But I'll set that up tonight when I push this newest one that we're working on. Anyways, yeah, what I want to figure out is app model, just making sure that I can persist this object. Um,
So sorry, what are you setting up now, Trevor?
so yeah, now I'm setting up persistence. So one thing we have to do is add like a model container for our task. And then let's see. Um, Here's one thing I'm like a little, the way we got set up, you can only have one root task. But with Swift data, you can always have a list of tasks. I guess like how do I
We probably need the concept of like archived, right? Like if I finish one, I want to work on a new one.
yeah. So
So maybe you can have a list of tasks, but only one of them can be like current.
yeah, like okay, that makes sense. And then if you archive a task, it would probably archives all of its children. I guess like okay, at that point, is it just deleting them? So like what's the difference between delete and archive? Can we just say that it deletes it? Like if you create a new
No, no,
goal?
no. So like imagine Trevor that like we finish this app,
Hmm.
we do it, and then I work on a new task.
Yeah, I feel like you finish your
I
task.
don't want
It
to
should
lose that I worked on all of this,
okay.
you know?
So I guess at that point that task is done.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to
So
finish
that
the task before you create a new one.
yeah, so that high root level one would be marked as done.
Okay. So my thought is okay, I'm just thinking like the way Swift data stores these, it's just like it stores a list of tasks. So my thought is we grab all the tasks that don't have a parent. That means it's the root task, and that is not done. And then we just show like whatever the first one, which is assumed to be empty. Does that
Yeah,
sound right?
it'd be nice if yeah, that works.
Okay. I need to kind of figure out how I do that.
And then I'm cleaning up the screen a little bit now that I got dynamic island in.
Okay.
However, we still need to figure out some free music that we can play while we do
And
this.
yeah, does Franklin know any good music that's royalty free?
Let's see. Do we need another, like, besides the settings button, do we need another button?
Um,
I don't think we do.
no, because all the other buttons will be in the settings.
Yeah, settings, I think, just pops up a sheet and it'll have like all the stuff that it needs to in there.
Yeah.
All right, I was trying to keep everything straight, but I kind of am liking round corners
Oh,
for some
really?
of the items on the page. Yeah,
Well,
it looks a little cleaner.
yeah,
I think
the
the
disclosure
background is
group,
going to be, yeah, what do we got?
the disclosure group should have, like it uses rounded corners. The list automatically does.
Yeah.
So
And
maybe
so
we
that's
would
why
just,
everything else like next to it looks good.
yeah,
Yeah, hopefully you like this screen. I think it's pretty simple.
okay. Do you want to see what I've done?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's how it works: is in our app contain like is able to save tasks, right? So that's the small container. It's able to save tasks, but you can't save like only a single task. It just saves all of them. So in our content
Okay.
view,
Yeah.
the first thing we do is we query for all of our tasks where the task's parent is nil, which means it's the root task. So all root tasks where is done is false. So this will give us all non-done root tasks. So top level incomplete tasks. And and so I say if I'm able to find the first one, which means like if there's a list of them, I'll grab the first one. Then I show
Hmm.
this root task view, which is like basically our old content view. If not,
Sweet.
we could do this welcome view where you add the first task. So once you add a task, it adds it to the context,
Oh,
refreshes this because then it's found. So then it takes you into the root task view. So you hit add first task, pops this up. My first task.
dude, that's slick.
And then you
And we
could
can have on
start,
that welcome screen a whole bunch of stuff.
yeah, yeah. And we could start like before we add it to the context, we can like build it up. So you create like your goal, you put that as the name of the task. Maybe we have them choose like a few milestones. So we'll add those as subtasks before we add
Hmm.
the entire thing into the context. So once they get to this screen, it should already be built out.
Dude,
But then in here, yeah, you can add task, add task. You can like mark the task as
yeah.
done. You can delete it. You can add children under
I'm
it.
still I'm still hopeful that we can use AI to help make these tasks.
Yeah, true. Do you think that would be done on this screen or only on the welcome screen?
I think I don't know. I think it will just kind of like be a setting. You'll just have turned on like make AI tasks for me and it'll just kind of happen in the background. And then
Okay.
I'm imagining that they'll get added to your list and it'll say like, "Hey, this one was created by AI. Do you want to just delete it or do you want to keep it?"
Yeah. Okay.
I
So,
think too between the welcome screen and then maybe that first thing could be a great time to do revenue cat.
oh, totally. Yeah. Once they build it up.
So welcome, type in your first task, and then we can pop up the revenue cat and be like, look, if you're serious, like let's get this done.
Yeah, bro. Ooh, that's big.
It's a good segue.
Okay. But yeah, maybe let's just like push this out how it is now,
Perfect.
and then we could iterate
Well, I
on
think
it.
we have to push it out with revenue cat, right? For it to even qualify. Like the first launch has to have revenue cat, right?
Oh, does it? I was
I
thinking
think
like
so. I think you
um, we could just push this to TestFlight for now. Like not to the App Store tonight.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. But our launch on when it's available for download, we need to have revenue cat. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, all the test flight people get it for free anyways, so
Yeah. Okay. And then the hope is that this just works. I'm gonna run it on the simulator and see if it will save. Um, do we want it to save? So say like you're building out all your tasks, and then um, you like set it up where like you open up the disclosure group. Do you want it to save that setting, like which ones are open, or the next time you open up the app, do all of them open?
I don't know. I'm thinking I would want them all closed.
keep them all closed.
Yeah,
Okay. I'm. Hmm,
that's my hunch. You could decide though.
yeah, let me run this. And maybe we keep them all closed, but then when you add a child, it automatically opens it.
Yeah, that'd be cool if it did that.
Okay. Oh, dude, this is gonna be sick.
Yeah, I mean that is working great, dude.
Oh, why is it deleting all of them? Yeah, let's see. Franklin says Apple approvals for TestFlight builds are quick. That's good. He says Tom
Clutch.
Fox, I think. What were we talking about? Tom Fox.
And dump it all in settings.
Yeah,
Oh, and the first launch doesn't have to have RevenueCat. Oh,
that's good. Which could maybe help. I don't know. I feel like people would want it more if there is a paywall. I feel like it's a psychological thing, you know? Like if it's like straight free, I don't think people are gonna like think it's that good of an app. Does that
yeah,
make sense?
yeah. I think for the testing period we're fine, but yeah, it's kind of like if you're serious about getting your goal done, like let's do it
Yeah,
and pay for it. Like you want to pay because then it like locks you in to use it when you pay.
yeah. Dude, this is gonna be nice. I kind of don't like how many add tasks there are like this way.
I'm curious. Let me download it. Let me use it because whenever I do things like this, I'm like flying around. I'm like, oh, I need to do the designs first. Oh, I need to pick a font. Oh, I need to do marketing. Oh, I need to design the logo. And so it's like I'm bouncing around between all of these.
Yeah,
So let me use it how it is and let's see. Because if you're adding real tasks and you're doing it, like it might make more sense to you.
Okay. Should I just delete? I'm just going to remove the start task for tonight. I should get off soon. So,
Okay.
but we could do that
Oh, wait, why do you want to remove start task?
just because it's not doing anything. Everything else
Oh,
is
well,
like
I'm
fully
working on the
functional.
screen.
Oh, okay.
I'm actually working on the task screen.
So yeah, here I'm just gonna like remove it from this view for now, just so we can get this test flight up. And then Sarah and I are gonna watch a movie.
Okay, sick.
Oh, do we have an updated icon?
Um, no. I mean, yes. It's this one up here with the eat.
I'm gonna try it.
I'm curious if his little feet get cut off.
Okay, let's see.
I might need to squish him in there a little better.
This is what it looks like on simulator.
Yeah, let me squish him down a hair.
Okay. Try this one then.
Yeah, yeah, go grab that frame 49. Export that guy.
Got him. Yeah, it looks cleaner.
Yeah. And then you can name the app just elephant or the elephant. So then it says eat the elephant.
Oh, that's fun. The
Nice. And I
elephant.
think that previous icon that we have,
Yeah,
I think we should add that in settings for like subscriber. Like if you're paying, you could change it to the OG icon.
yeah, I like that.
Yeah, that looks sick, dude.
Eat the
Yeah, I'm
elephant.
actually pumped
Oh,
about
that's
that.
fun. Okay. Um, yeah, I'm just gonna run through this really quick, make sure everything still looks good. And are we worried about moving, like reordering tasks right now?
No, not right now. No.
Okay, cool.
I mean, if I could reorder siblings, that's cool. But I will
Yeah,
go in and add our revenue cat Shipathon like what our hit list items are
okay.
to eat our elephant.
Dude, this is fun.
Yeah, but are you seeing the screen? You like the screen?
Here, let me pull it up. Nice. Yeah, I'm digging it. I'm worried, like, yeah, the colors and stuff. Just make sure that like there's some stuff we just like really can't do with the list and the disclosure items. Like we can't make it expand all the way down. If that makes sense.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Okay. And then yeah, so you have just add task under the final one, but it would
Oh,
also
yeah, let me add
be
it.
yeah.
Yeah, it would also be here. Good call. Here we go. I kind of made the text smaller. I don't know if we can do that, but
Yeah, we
could
can
be
do that.
cool.
Yeah, for sure we can do that. I can here, I'll do that right now. I'll make it like a caption.
Yeah, I think we want the start task button at the bottom, but the list can fluctuate and go past and it would do whatever it needs to.
Okay. And I'm assuming we just want like everything monospaced, right?
I think so. Oh, I forgot I was gonna do the pirate flag. Okay, we're gonna change that for next time.
Okay. I'm also going to check if our request for screen time API has changed at all. No, just says submitted. And they're probably not working on the weekend for it. So we might just have to do that like a
I'll
V2.
bet they are.
Oh, you think? That'd be cool. Okay, the build is running. Once this finishes, I will create an external group, add the build, submit it to Apple. What do you think? You have like the teal color as like the accent for now
Yeah,
on
I'm
like
not
that.
married to that. I think what we would do is add a theme section somewhere.
Yeah, dude, that's what I was wondering. Premium
So
feature.
yeah, but I am kind of in like the neon vibe. So we would have probably like this teal, like a blue, a purple, a
Yeah.
yellow, but like kind of more neon, a pink.
What do you think? Let me show you. We can straight up just make like put a tint of dot cyan.
On the whole content view, that's how it works.
Yeah, and then check it. It's like anywhere that uses the default, like the blue changes to cyan, like that.
Yeah, sweet. I'd say push it with that.
So, um, oh, I already pushed it, but I could let me redo it.
No, that's
But
good.
my thought would be
Go
like,
watch your movie.
we should have it where like, yeah, you could just choose a single color and it tints the whole app that.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, it's pushing with that one instead. Oh yeah, let's make a public link. Sick. So this will be the public link for our test flight. I'm gonna text it to you, but it needs to get approved by Apple first.
Cool.
Do the recursive like it's kind of sick.
That's cool that
Tasks with
chat was actually
tasks.
able to like help.
I'm impressed with Chat GPT 5.
Was it five is what you used today?
Yeah, like I had it try to create a poop tracker app. It did all right, dude. I also created this
That's crazy.
script for creating an app icon. I'm gonna try to run it. Yeah, ChatGPT 5 looks kind of insane to be honest.
I have not used it. I used it today to look something up, and it was like, I'm not connected to the internet, so I can't do that. I was like, okay.
Oh, what? Really?
It's like great first test.
Yeah, dude, look, I made a script and it just generated this app icon.
Wait, GPT-5 did?
Yeah, dude. And this was just part like so it had generated this script um for my for the crap map app. I was just like, oh, make an app icon. And so it made this script and then ran the script to add the app icon. Isn't that crazy?
Wow.
And it put like a little
Yeah,
poop
that's awesome.
emoji and a map emoji. I'm kind of like, I was like, freak, dude. Do I need to like actually get into vibe coding? Because I was pretty
It,
impressed with it.
it's getting better. It's getting better.
Dude, that's why I'm like, oh, it's if it's getting really good, I'm kind of worried
Why, dude?
because it could just run. I mean, I feel
No,
like
but then we'll be able to make apps at the speed of our ideas.
that's true. No, yeah, for us it will be good. I'm just worried about my job.
Oh, no way, dude. They're only going to need more developers.
It's true. Dude, what do you think about that app icon?
I mean, it's not bad.
I kind of like it. I just really like emojis, dude.
Yeah, emojis are good.
But no, yeah, I don't. Yeah, I'm not too worried. Yeah, our jobs are fine. Plus, yeah, I think it as long as we see it as a tool to improve ourselves, then we'll be fine.
Well, and ideas are still what are going to reign. Like people still want good ideas. So it's still going to take people like us to sit and refine what does eat the elephant do? How does it work? Why does it work that way?
Yeah, no, it's true. Like it's more. It's gonna be more about like really good prompts and really good debugging, and the stuff outside of code, like uploading to the app store,
The marketing.
marketing. Yeah, dang. Okay, this build 10 finished.
It worked.
Yep. So it's in the internal group now. I'm gonna try to add it to external testers if possible. I don't know why it's not letting me. Oh, I might need to add it. Like, okay, let's see. Oh, I might need to update the Xcode cloud. Okay, do we want every time we push for it to go to external testers?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Which means I gotta push it again. So what are you designing now?
The screen when you click start task and then you get this guy. I'm designing out like a little kind of tree here
Mm,
so you can see like why you're on this task, like where you came from, what it's building up to. You can
okay.
mark it as done. You can skip the task, which will just take you to the next sibling. You can pause, and then I'm going to animate this guy in Rive so that these little dots like fill in
Mm,
every second or whatever to take 5 minutes.
oh, that's fun.
But I do think I'm going to need, as I say that, I do think we're going to need the time still, but just real chill.
Yeah.
It's like, and it can just count up or count down. We probably want to count down, right?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think
Yeah.
you were saying that we want to take away from the elephant because we're getting stuff done.
Yeah. You're eating it.
Yeah, we're eating it. So once it's gone, we should be done with the task.
How many boxes are white on the elephant?
No, I don't know. I'll count them.
Should we see if chat will do it? Get it right.
Yeah, see if it'll do it.
Yeah, I'll do that while the build is going.
Say make a timer that reveals or removes one box, right?
Yeah. There are
No,
169,000
there's not.
white
That's how many
white
pixels there are.
pixels.
Say, come on, you know what I meant.
Yeah. I should have asked for white boxes. 237. Now I need to actually count it to see if it's right.
No, you don't.
I'm gonna do it, dude.
Yeah, that's probably pretty close. I would trust that actually.
Go row by row. Starts with 4, and then there's 10, and then there's 6 more than 10, so 16. And then there's 1 more than that, and then 2 more than that. Dude, Wolfram Alpha, do you ever use that?
No,
Um,
but I mean, it's worked. I know it works.
237. What did the chat say?
So that's what it was. Yeah.
Dude, they got it. No way, dude.
I can't believe you doubted it on that.
No way. Oh, what's how many R's are in strawberry? Isn't that the
Dude, there's no
classic?
way it's messing that up.
Dude, it messed it up. It says two little
Nuh-uh.
R's. It messed it up.
What?
It messes that
On
one up, but not.
5?
I think so, right? How do I see what model I am? I I did get the you've hit the free plan for 5
Oh, see, you did
because
4.
there's
So
an
you can't.
attachment.
4 doesn't know.
Oh yeah, true. Okay, you go try it.
Yeah, let's see. How many R's in strawberry? 3, dude.
Oh gosh, we're donezo.
They fixed it. It's over. That's great news.
Okay, I'm setting up the external. What's our beta app description?
This is the description when they're downloading it.
Yeah, well, for the
App,
beta tester.
yeah, uh, eat the elephant. An app designed to help you break down one large goal into small goals. Uh, and the app, eventually, the idea is that the app will, I mean, put this into chat and it'll sound better. But eventually, the app will, when you go to a distracting app, will show you your task instead.
Okay, I'm just gonna send it like this. Okay, waiting for review. Sick. Okay. I think I'm gonna head out now.
Okay.
That was
There's
fun.
the main
Yeah, how's that?
screen too.
Nice. Dude, 237. That's almost divided by 60. That's like 4 minutes. So we just need to have it go a little bit slower than a block a second.
Yeah, I'm fine if it's not real time.
Yeah. And we could honestly
Uh,
like even just if we want it to be real time, you could add like a ground underneath the elephant, maybe.
oh, add a couple more dots.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. That was fun. I'm gonna stop the stream. Shout out to
Okay, great
Franklin.
job tonight, dude. Thanks, Franklin. If you're still there, thanks for jumping on. We had fun with you.
Okay.